In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an aesthetic Discord message with Carlbot. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So all you want to do is go over to your browser of choice, and then we're going to go over to the Carlbot dashboard, also known as carl.gg. We're going to press add to Discord here if you already haven't got it. And then we're just going to press authorize to give it access to my Discord account. It's going to show any servers and everything. So all I want to do is go into whichever one you want. So what I want to do now is go over to the utility, which is going to be on the left, right at the bottom. And then I'm going to go over to greetings. Now we're going to see, we're going to make a custom welcome message. So we have the welcome channel already. And then all you want to do is you can type in anything you want. So for example, I'll just go on ChatGPT and I'm going to say something like, give me a aesthetic Discord message for, a welcome. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Like so. And then once you go ahead and do that, all you want to do is whatever it gives you, I'm just going to go ahead and put it into here. So what I'll do is I'll just choose a nice little soft aesthetic one, and it's going to be something like this. So it's going to have the user here in brackets. And yeah, you can obviously just put in whatever you want, but this is the random one I got. And then all you got to do is click save right here. Then when anytime anyone joins, it's going to be in the welcome channel like that. And yeah, it's as simple as that.